The 2025 Suzuki Jimny pickup is about to flip the script on what we expect from small trucks. This isn't just a quirky little off-roader anymore. Suzuki has reimagined the Jimny into a rugged, ultra-affordable pickup that could redefine an entire segment. At first glance, the 2025 Jimny pickup still holds that classic boxy charm the Jimny is known for, but now it pairs that iconic retro look with practical utility. A compact cargo bed in the back means it's ready for daily hauls, adventure gear, or light-duty work, without sacrificing maneuverability. It's small enough to zip through tight city streets, but tough enough to tackle dirt trails and rocky roads with its full-time 4x4 system and high ground clearance. Under the hood, it comes equipped with Suzuki's efficient 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, punchy enough for most tasks and extremely economical at the pump. And thanks to its lightweight frame, the Jimny pickup delivers that raw mechanical connection with the road, or the trail, that modern trucks sometimes lack. Whether you're a contractor looking for a nimble workhorse or an adventurer needing an affordable rig, this thing delivers. Inside, the cabin is minimalist yet practical. Durable surfaces, easy clean materials, and straightforward tech like a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. No fluff, just function. And while it won't pamper you like a luxury SUV, it gives you exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. But here's where it really shines: price. With an expected starting price well under most full-size trucks and even undercutting many compact pickups, the Jimny pickup is positioned to be one of the most affordable 4x4s on the planet. Combine that with legendary Suzuki reliability and low maintenance costs, and you've got a winner for budget-conscious buyers worldwide. This little truck could do what the original Jimny did in the SUV space: disrupt it completely. It brings capability, charm, and true utility back into the spotlight without the inflated price tag or bloated proportions. In a world of oversized trucks and overcomplicated tech, the 2025 Jimny pickup reminds us what made small trucks great in the first place. If Suzuki plays their cards right and brings it to global markets, especially North America, this could become the go-to affordable pickup for everyone from off-roaders to urban haulers. The small truck revolution may be starting now, and it's being led by the tiny titan from Suzuki.